Look how cool these things are, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful day to be alive. Greetings, friends. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here with the magical magnifiers. Yes, indeed, friends. Where to begin on these glorious, high-quality selenite points. Nothing like selenite, ladies and gentlemen. A stone of harmony, a stone of balance, a stone of honesty. Promotes insightfulness so we can see our true selves and our life situations we find ourselves in with perfect clarity. Yes, indeed, friends. It also magnifies and cleanses the energy of the space it occupies, as well as the crystals it's near. So much beauty to explore. The way that selenite refracts that light is just otherworldly, friends. So enough of me yip-yapping about some nonsense. Let's get down and dirty with these gorgeous, gorgeous selenite points, one of which could be yours at CosmicCuts.com, a cut above the rest. If you came here to be amazed by Mother Nature's beauty, friends, I will not disappoint you. You came to the right place. Yes, indeed. Look at these incredibly high quality, gorgeous selenite points, like Mother Nature's compass, pointing your soul in the right direction. These incredible selenite points, absolutely incredible, handcrafted by Mother Nature specifically to raise your consciousness, friends. Yes, indeed, they emanate positivity and radiance, a stone of harmony and honesty. Selenite is great for removing those nasty inhibitions, those self-doubts, those self-limiting beliefs. We tell ourselves we're not good enough, it's not worth it, I'll never do it. No, friends! It's time to actualize your potential. Become the person you were put on this earth to be with selenite. Absolutely incredible stuff. A cleansing and magnifying stone. And it promotes insightfulness. It helps us see the reality. See through the you-know-what, friends. See what's inside us. See what the truth is outside. With selenite, my friends, anything is possible. And look how gorgeous it truly is. Yes, indeed, friends, selenite big, selenite small. At CosmicCuts.com, we got it all. One of these gorgeous, gorgeous miracles of Mother Nature could be yours at CosmicCuts.com, a cut above the rest. Have an amazing day, friends.